Hey guys, and welcome to Annie in China. Today we'll be taking a tour of my apartment in Qingzhou in the Shandong province of China. Let's go! Our apartment is 100 square meters and consists of 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a living area. We also have a small storage room, and our guest bedroom also has a small laundry area. We live on the 2nd floor of our building, and we have a little terrace outside, which is the roof of the businesses downstairs. We're not actually sure if we're allowed to go out on it. We haven't tried, but we will definitely try it in the future. When you walk into our front door, you walk right into our living area. And then this is our living area. And then to the right of the front door, we have this dining area where we have a nice table set out. We enjoy having lunches here, but lately we've been using it more as a workspace. Out of the dining area, we have the kitchen, which is over here. The kitchen isn't very big, although it is much bigger than many of the apartments that we looked at when we were looking for an apartment. The kitchen has a gas stove, it has a space for the fridge, and we have our own oven and microwave over there. Most Chinese kitchens don't come with ovens. We have to buy our own little oven, and yeah, they only had the stove. And then we also have the sink over here. For some reason our faucet only has hot water. We haven't figured out why, but we can live with that. At least it's not cold. The kitchen doesn't have a lot of cupboard space, so we are very glad to have the little storage room so we can store all of our extra things in there. To the other side of our dining area, we have our 3rd bedroom, which we have transformed into a home gym. So we have our treadmill over here, we have some exercise equipment and some weights we have. Behind the doors, all of the doors, we also have these hooks. So yeah, we can hang up some things, and we also have some extra equipment that we store over there. This home gym is really so convenient. We don't have to go outside to exercise. If we want to exercise, we can just roll out of bed, put on our shoes, and get on the treadmill. I love it. Our living room is a decent size. We were able to fit this very nice sofa in here. Also, if you want to see more about how we furnished our apartment, we will be doing a video on that in the future. We also have a nice coffee table, and we have our television and so on set up over there. We really enjoy the space, and we have really tried to make it our own so that China can feel more like home and so that we can be comfortable staying here for a few years. From our living room to the other side, this side, we have a little hallway, which the first little room over here is our small storage room. It's really not very big, but it is so convenient. We can store all of our extra products here. We have some food items and so on, so it's just really convenient. We also store our cleaning supplies. Oh, and that fancy bath. The next door from the small hallway is our second bedroom, which is our guest bedroom. So we have a queen size bed in here. My makeup table is in here, so it's easier for me to do my makeup out of the way. And this is also the bedroom with the extra laundry area. So over here we have the little laundry area with a nice big window, and up there we have these rails where we can hang our washing, with my makeup table over here. And then we have curtains on these sides so that this laundry area is kind of separated from the room if necessary, and it also keeps out the light when you want to sleep. And then to the right of our guest bedroom, we have our main bedroom. We've got a queen size bed in here, and it's pretty nice. We have a nice big window over there. I really enjoy this window. It's got such a big window seat. This is such a nice place to just sit and read. On sunny days, the sun shines in here and then it just warms up the room so much. I really enjoy this window, and I've always wanted to have a corner window like this one. So I'm just so happy for that. This bedroom also has a closet. The guest bedroom also has a closet, although the third bedroom does not have a closet. This apartment does have so much more storage space than our previous apartment, so we are really glad for that. The last room in our apartment is the bathroom. Okay, it's a pretty decent sized bathroom. The shower over there, big enough shower that the toilet is not in the shower. We're so happy for that. And we have the toilet, and then a little shelf over here, and the basin. And then this side we have our towel hooks, and there's this little towel heater behind the door that is connected to the central heating system of the building, together with the underfloor heating that our whole apartment has. This is the terrace outside, as you can see, the roof area. It's nothing fancy and doesn't look very great, but I have seen people put plants and so on outside. The weather today is also terrible. There's so much smog and pollution, and it's so cold. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. We are very lucky to have found this apartment. This apartment did not have any furniture when we moved in, so we had to get our own furniture. At least the school that we work for provided us with a lot of the furniture, although we still had to buy quite a few pieces. This apartment is also really cheap for how nice it is, mostly because it's a smaller city. And as far as I know, our rent is between 1,400 and 1,600 RMB per month, which is really cheap if you compare it to bigger cities. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.